Okay, we're going to do our letter sounds and words. Okay, we're going to start off with letter names and sounds. Here we go. Letter is A, sound is A. Letter is B, sound is B. Letter is C, sound is K. Letter is D, sound is D. Letter is E, sound is E. Letter is F, sound is F. Letter is G, sound is G. Letter is H, sound is H. Letter is I, sound is I. Letter is J, sound is J. Letter is K, sound is K. Letter is L, sound is O. Letter is M, sound is M. Letter is N, sound is N. Letter is O, sound is A. Letter is P, sound is P. Letter is Q, sound is Qu. Letter is R, sound is Letter is S, sound is S. Letter is T, sound is T. Letter is U, sound is A. Letter is V, sound is V. Letter is W, sound is W. Letter is X, sound is X. Letter is Y, sound is Y. Letter is Z, sound is Z. Now we'll move into our digraphs. Two letters working together to make a new sound. TH, 13. SH, sh, sheep. CH, ch, children. PH, f, phone. WH, whale. Here comes our blends. These are two sounds, we're just putting them together quickly. SL, soul, slide. PL, pull, play. GL, goal, globe. FL, full, flower. CL, cool, clock. BL, bull, block. TR, truck. PR, per, present. GR, grasshopper. FR, fur, frog. DR, drum. CR, crayons. BR, bread. SM, smile. SK, skunk. SC, scooter. SN, snake. SP, spoon. ST, star. TW, 12. SW, swings. Now these are our trigraphs, three letters, and their sounds working together to make a new sound. SPL, splash. SHR, shrek. SCR, scream. STR, strawberry. SPR, spring. SQU, square. THR, three. Okay, it's time now for our rhyming game. We're going to put our thumbs together. 2 thumbs up if the words rhyme, thumbs down if they do not. Place, race. Slap, rap. Black, block. Dish, wish. Float, flat. Glad, glass. Wait, plate. Clock, dock. Slide, slate. Flower, power. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the blend and the rhyme. You put it together and tell me what the word is. Bull, ache. Blake. Pull, Ann. Plan. Full, O. Flow. Cull, ick. Click. Soul, eep. Sleep. Gull, eyed. Glide. Full, at. Flat. Cull, ip. Clip. Pull, ant. Plant. And soul, app. Slap. Okay, we're going to ride our roller coasters. We're finding that medial vowel sound in the middle of the word. It's going to be a long vowel sound. That's when the letters say their names rather than their sound. Okay, here we go. Lake. Ache. What's in the middle? A. Leaf. Eef. What's in the middle? E. Hose. O's. What's in the middle? O. 5. I've. What's in the middle? I. Mule. Yule. What's in the middle? U. Cube. Cube. What's in the middle? U. Mice. Ice. What's in the middle? I. Rope. Ope. What's in the middle? O. Seat. Eat. What's in the middle? E. And page. Age. What's in the middle? A. Okay, now it's time to chop our word in half. We're going to chop off the blend and tell me the rest of the rhyme. Here we go. The first word is blush. Blush. Bull. Ush. Plum. Plum. Pull. Flag. Flag. Full. Ag. Club. Club. Cull. Slam. Slam. Soul. Am. Glad. Glad. Gull. Add. Blouse. Blouse. Bull. Ouse. Clip. Clip. Cull. Ip. Slot. Slot. Soul. Ought. Plan. Plan. Pull. And. Okay, now we're going to do our beginning sound replacement. I'm going to tell you what the whole word is, take away the beginning sound, give you a new beginning sound, and you tell me what the new word is. Here we go. Bass. Take away the B, add gull. Glass. Glide. Take away the gull, add soul. Slide. Down. Take away the D, add cull. Clown. Power. Take away the P, add full. Flower. Mate. Take away the add pull. Plate. Rack. Take away the add bull. Black. Sue. Take away S, add gull. Glue. Dot. Take away D, add soul. Slot. Ran. Take away the add pull. Plan. And rock. Take away the add bull. Block. We're going to move on to our adding our beginning sound. I'll give you the end of the word, the rhyme. I'll give you the blend. You tell me what the word is. It's. Add bull. Blitz. Amp. Add cull. Clamp. Oat. Add full. Float. Ob. Add gull. Glob. Ease. add pull, please. Ick, add soul, slick. Eat, add cull, cleat. I'd, add gull, glide. Add bull, blurt. And us, add pull, plus. Okay, now we're going to take away the beginning sound. I'm going to give you a full word, I'll take away the beginning sound, tell me what's left. Placid, take away pull, acid. Slime, take away soul, I'm. Bluff, take away bull, uff. Fly, take away full, I. Clump, take away cull, ump. Glow, take away gull, o. Flex, take away full, x. Sleeve, take away soul, eve. Cliff, take away cull, if. And plate, take away pull, 8. Okay, we're going to end with our nursery rhyme. Normally we do a couple of lines each day and add them up, and by the end of the week we got it finished, but we're going to try a whole one today, okay? So I'll say it, repeat after me, and then we'll try to repeat the whole thing at the end together. The title of it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Once I Caught a Fish Alive. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on the right. Okay, let's try saying the whole thing now together, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on the right. Okay, thanks a lot, you guys. I'll see you soon.